To the replay. Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalkator. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you are catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. And if you're catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty, amazing videos coming. We have lots and lots of great things coming in Chalkator for the rest of this year, for the beginning of next year, which is awesome. And you guys, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. Hello, Miss Tina. Hello, hello, love. Hello, thank you. You could give me as a share. I would love it if you'd share this video and share the love of Chalkator, you guys. Hi, everyone. Hello, Miss Renee. The sleds are out, my friend. Your sled is on its way. Hello, Miss Susan Tapley. I miss you, Susan Tapley. I miss you. Look, Susan, look how big my eyes look with my readers on. Isn't that funny? Hello, Ashley. Hello. Look, they're like huge with my readers on, but I can't see anybody's name without them, and I'm literally maybe 2 feet away. Crazy. So hello, you guys. Happy Thursday. So excited it's Thursday, you guys. 2 more days till the weekend. Whoop, whoop. Hello, Shalyn. Hi, Gate. Hi. I don't know what I was going to say. I think I was going to say hi, girl, but it just came out. Aloha. So you guys, my name is Jennifer Jones, and I am an independent designer with this really amazing company called Chalkator. So all these gorgeous things. There's our Christmas sign from the other day. There's our welcome sign. Here's our Kris Kringle sign. He's one of my favorites. Yeah, right? Woo-hoo, woohoo, Renee. I know, I can't wait for you to do it. I want you to send me a picture. It does, Susan. It truly does. But for those of you who do not know what Chalkator is, I'm going to throw this up there on the screen really quick. We are a DIY home decor and crafting company, and you will not find our products anywhere else except through designers like myself. We have these super cool silkscreen reusable transfers, which is amazing, so you can create over and over again. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have inks. We do have many surfaces through Chalkator, chalkboards, box wood frames, canvas banners. Hello, Miss Crystal. We have pillowcases, and we have all the tools that you need as well, you guys. But this can be done on wood, glass, tin, canvas, cardstock. You can make t-shirts, dish towels. The list can go on and on. Thank you for sprinkling love. Thank you. So many things you can create, you guys. But the greatest thing I can offer to you is a DIY home decor business opportunity. You guys, right here is your investment to get started in your own business. And what a better time than to start right now. You guys, get in through the holiday season. Get this gorgeous kit that's going to gear you up for a brand new, amazing new year. And let me just tell you, there are so many great things coming in Chalkator for 2021. Cannot wait. You guys, everything you need to get started, it is available in the US for $99 or in Canada for $139. If you want to learn more about that, you can check out my website, which is listed right there. Or feel free to put a hashtag join in the comments if you have questions for me. I would love to answer those for you. You guys, this opportunity is amazing. The people are amazing. The products are amazing. And I would love to share it with you. So again, if you are interested in learning more about that, starting your new year off with something new, fresh, and exciting, just put that join down below and I will get in touch with you to get you all the info. So today, what are we doing? A very cute, simple sign, the North Pole Bed and Breakfast, come in from the cold. You guys, does this not remind you of like a Hallmark movie? Like, it just reminds me of a Hallmark movie. I don't know why. So this one is actually called North Pole Bed and Breakfast. You guys, all the directions are right on the back on how to use this. So you peel, prep, fuzz, apply, remove, and when we're done, we're going to clean it up with water, wipe it down with a Clorox wipe. You're going to let it air dry, adhesive side up, and then you put it right back on your carrier sheet. So let me get this out of there, because what I didn't do is this. I am going to be using the chalk paste today, and you guys know when I use chalk paste, What I like to do is I like to write on my transfer which color I'm using, and then I clean it off later with the board eraser. It's going to be adorable, right, Crystal? Super cute. So I'm going to do him in gold. I'm just putting like G for gold. These are going to be sage, and these are going to be pink. And then this is also going to be sage. So I just write on my transfer so that I know what colors I'm doing so I don't forget. Because like I said, like Susan said, like I've got these big readers on because I'm getting old. It's okay. I don't mind. I like my age. I like my life. I am good with my age. But yes, I forget things. And yes, it's hard for me to see unless I have them on, right? So I always like to put the letters next to it so I know what I'm doing, okay? First step we're going to do is write on the back. You're writing on the back of your carrier sheet so that you know what side your transfer will go on in case you forget, right? And you want to make sure you put it on the right side because I'm going to show you here in a second. Take your finger, rub it over the edge. I'm going to remove my transfer from my carrier sheet. And here's the reason why, you guys. There is an adhesive on the back of this silk screen transfer. If you put it on the wrong side, it's going to stick and you're not going to get it off because it's paper. So the matte side, you don't want to put it on. Always put it on the nice, shiny, glossy side if you forget to write on that, okay? And then I am going to fuzz this up with my amazing fuzzing cloth, you guys. I love our fuzzing cloths, and I'm just fuzzing this up just a little because it's a new transfer, okay? It doesn't feel too bad. And then this is actually a 16 by 12. Oopsies, I got my transfer stuck together. Yeah, let's not do that. See guys, see what I do to myself. This is a 16 by 12 chalkboard that my darling husband makes. We made these for a while. We haven't made them in a while, but that's where this one is from. He actually makes those for me because he's a rock star. So just wanted to give him a shout out on this cute little chalkboard. The really nice thing about these though is they are double-sided. So there's a whiteboard on the back and then the front is the chalkboard. So we're actually just going to use the front of the chalkboard today. Okay. And then what I did, I put the cute little metal trivets on them that you could buy at your local hardware store, and then just a piece of twine. So let's get this started. Now, here's the deal. This transfer is definitely bigger than the actual board. So I have to just make sure I get this on here all the way. And you can reposition if you need to once you get it on, so keep that in mind. But I think I'm good. So then I'm just going to, oh no, my deer is up too far. Hold on, you guys. My deer is up too far. So again, I got to pull it up. It's all good. It's all good. Just want to make sure I'm even, you guys, so I know where I'm going. So I got to get him up there as close as I can. Okay, getting my deer up there as close as I can. And the bottom, I'm not going to be able to get the one line on, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. And I want to make sure I'm even. Even Steven across the board. Okay? And then, props to Jason. Whoop whoop. I don't know if he's watching. I know he's on lunch, but I'm not sure if he's watching. Again, you know what? I need to come down just a little bit more. Hold on, you guys. Let me get this on here right. Let me get my deer on there and then pull that up. There we go. And then I'll mess with it. Just like that. Okay. So I've got my lines down here. I'm good there. Let's make sure we get out all of our air bubbles. We don't want any air bubbles in that silk screen area. So just smoothing that out. Easy peasy breezy. And then I am going to probably do a little bit of chalk and peel since this is larger. So I'm going to get my hair dryer. You just need a hair dryer. And then I am using our chalk paste today, you guys. I'm going to use our shimmer gold. I'm going to use, shimmer gold. I'm going to use sage, which is a nice green. And then I'm actually going to use a pink color that I blended together. So this is white and peony mixed together because I wanted a lighter pink. So I literally just put a scoop of peony in white to make a color that I wanted. So keep in mind, if there is a color you might not want, even though we have like 30, over 30 different colors, you absolutely can mix them together to get what you want. Yeah, exactly, Renee. Got to give him some shout out on here. I don't want him to say, I made that. You didn't tell everyone. But, you know, he's good that way. He's good. So I'm just going to stir this up. Now, the shimmers, I like to say the shimmers are just a little bit different in consistency. All of your other chalk paste, you want it to be a nice creamy consistency. These are just a little bit thicker, okay? So do you see how nice and creamy this is? You want it like this, and if it's not, you just add water and you stir it up. Now, if it is still a little bit chunky, what you can do is add water, pop it in your microwave from 3 to 5 seconds at a time, take it out and keep stirring, and sometimes that helps as well, okay? So just a couple little tidbits there. So let's get started. Let's get started. So who all has their shopping done? Does anyone have their shopping completely done and wrapped? Like, I think we're like halfway done. Like we're not all the way done. No, no, not done. No. So, all right, let's get started. Taking my small squeegee, or this is my mini squeegee, dipping it in my paste, and literally all you're doing is scraping it across the silk screen area, you guys. That is all you are doing. It's like spreading butter. You just scrape it across at a 90-degree angle, applying pressure. Get out any lines, and the excess is going to go back in the jar. Make sure I got some nice coverage there. Oops, I almost put that in the gold. Oh, Ashley, that's awesome. Yeah, Renee, me neither. Not done. Nope. Not done. Not done. I definitely don't have anything wrapped. I just got one present in the mail today. So that came today, which was awesome. Okay, so I got my gold. And then I'm going to peel this up. Crystal, you need to get on that. And check it out, you guys. Look at that. Look how perfect that is. The North Pole. I probably could have done a little bit more, but that's okay. Just going to hit it with the dryer. And if you're new and you're watching and you're wondering why I'm doing it this way, the chalk paste is truly like a chalk. So you don't want to leave it sitting on your surface or your silk screen, too long, because then it can dry in the silk screen. So that's why we do like a chalk and peel. Okay? So then I'm going to take a small squeegee. So here is the difference, you guys. This is a small squeegee, and my mini squeegees are covered in paste. So, and this is a mini squeegee, you guys. So I'm using the small because this is a nice big area. And again, this is a pink that is blended with peony and white. So it's kind of like a nice, soft pink to remind you of the Hallmark Channel. That's all I'm saying. It should remind you of it, right? Just go over that silk screen, apply pressure, take off your excess that you don't need. Bed and breakfast, because you know I'm watching the Hallmark Channel tonight. That's what I do at the holidays. I watch Hallmark. Well, you never know though, Crystal, because you might be getting some good deals. I haven't heard anything on how shopping has been. You know how usually the news reports come out and say sales are down or sales are up, or I haven't heard anything like that on the news lately, but you might be getting some good deals if sales are down. You never know. Okay, I can get my gold for my little snowflakes over here. I really like that color pink, you guys. It turned out really pretty. It is peony and white blended together. Okay, there we go. Ready? Here we go. Let's pull it up and see. Look at the nice crisp lines, you guys. Nice, cute, crisp lines. No weeding involved, which is awesome if you've ever worked with vinyl. It's a nice, soft pink. It's probably hard to tell on the live, but you guys, it's super pretty. And I love the snowflakes. Love that. Hello, Miss Sandy Johnson. Hello, hello. I sent you a message on Facebook. I hope you got it. Okay, and again, just laying that down. And I need my sage, and we are almost done, you guys. Easy peasy DIY home decor. Now, you guys, one thing I wanted to tell you really quick before we get done with this project today. In 2021, you guys, I'm going to be offering a lot more virtual workshops. So if you want to get together with a couple of your friends online and do a craft together, I would love to set that up with you. Just reach out to me. You could put a hashtag party or hashtag workshop in the comments, and I will definitely reach out to you to get that all set up so we can get together and create some beautiful DIY when you're ready to change it out after the holiday season, right? So let's peel this up. Ta-da! Look how awesome! I'm gonna go throw this in my water. So hold on one second while I put this in water, you guys. Because when you're done, you want to get it in water so that you can clean it up and reuse it again for something else. Like, you could totally just do something with the North Pole. You could do something with come in from the cold or the snowflakes. So many different things you could do with this. But look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. We're not done. We are not done because we have to add a little bit of embellishment, you guys. Let's add a little embellishment. My light's flickering. You guys, it's adorable. And I think it fits perfect. I think it fits perfect, even though we didn't get that bottom line. I think it's totally good. So, all I'm going to do, so this is some Garland. I actually got this at the craft store in the wedding section. This is like a 6-foot piece of garland that you can just make things with or use it as a garland. So I took one of my leaves that I bought at the dollar store that has the little bells on them, and I just added some of that garland to the top to give it a little froofies. And I'm just going to add this right on here. I actually don't even think I need that, but let me add this right on to this. And I'll probably put a piece of Velcro on the back so that I can position it where I want it, you guys. But like, I will play with that, move some of these greenery around so that you could still see the deer. But look how cute that is, you guys. Look how adorable cute that is. Just adding that little bit of greenery, and the leaf is like a nice green sage. It came like that. Plan chalking this weekend, no work. Yay, Sandy. Hello, Regina. Hello, hello. Look how cute and simple that is, you guys. Just adding that little bit of touch to the top for a cute DIY home decor sign. Makes you want to think of the Hallmark movies. This would be great on your front door. How cute would that be on your front door in your entryway? Super cute and adorable, you guys. Remember, you can check all of our products out right online, which is chalkingwithjen.com. There are over 200 designs. That's like a one-stop shop. It truly, truly is. Now, you guys, if you want to learn about becoming the designer, just put that hashtag join in the comments, or you can check out my website and I'll get you that information. And then also, we have a 12 days of Christmas that'll be coming to an end very soon in our VIP group. I would love to share that with you. That's also where we will be talking about virtual workshops. As long as you're not a designer, you guys, I'd love to add you. Just put a hashtag VIP in there. So, you guys, I hope you love this adorable sign that we created today in less than 15 minutes. Yay, you guys are loving it. Make sure you give me some hearts, some stars, some whatever you want to give me. A share is always appreciated, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your Thursday, and stay tuned. I'll be talking with you soon, guys. Bye.